Welcome back, my name is Kerry, and today I'm going to show you two of the most affordable manufactured homes available. The increased price of new construction over the last year has made affordability a very important topic for people looking to buy and for builders who want to build something that people can actually afford. Right now there are new companies entering the manufactured housing space with fresh ideas, but if we actually look at what you get for how much you pay, are they affordable? Then there are the companies that have been building manufactured homes since what seems like the beginning of time that people know and love, but have building materials made them too expensive. The thing is, some of the most affordable homes are also the most expensive, and some of the most expensive homes are also the most affordable, which probably isn't making a whole lot of sense yet. There seems to be two schools of thought when it comes to affordability, because if I post about the new companies, half the people are up in arms, and if I post about the old dogs, the other half are up in arms, and all I really care about is posting videos with ideas that might be able to help people. Don't get me wrong, I always like getting feedback no matter what side of the discussion you land. Heck, I even like getting feedback from the guy that asked if I was the albino from the Da Vinci Code. Today we're comparing two very affordable homes in completely different ways: low cost per square foot and low total cost. What I'm going to do is show you two affordable options, explain why we can't get the best of both pricing worlds, and tell you my thoughts on the most important affordability metric. So let's do it. The first affordable option is a new segment of manufactured homes that are being built specifically to offer a price point that people can afford. The total cost of the purchase is lower, but that means we're likely giving up something for that luxury. Could be size, could be convenience, could be creature comforts, or it could be a combination of all three. One strategy being used is to build smaller homes. Smaller homes can be built faster, use less materials, and are easier to ship, which all works towards the goal of a lower price tag. I'm going to use Boxable as an example because I'm a fan of what they're doing, and I think they're going to be able to put a dent in the affordability crisis when they open their factory in a few months. Boxable has the Boxable Casita, which is a 375 square foot home with a price tag of $49,500 or $132 per square foot. $49,500 is a very reasonable price tag for a new home, something that a lot of people can afford, but like I mentioned, you give up something to bring the price down, and in this case, it's space. The pushback I get from people when I post about smaller footprint homes is they don't think they can be considered affordable because they typically come at a higher price per square foot. If affordability is only measured on a price per square foot basis, let's look at something on the other end of the spectrum with a much lower price per square foot. The second affordable option is the tried and true manufactured homes that have been getting the job done for a very long time. Factories have been improving their product every year, but the idea itself has remained relatively unchanged because it works. It's a home that's built in a factory that comes in 1, 2, or even 3 pieces and range in size from about 500 square feet all the way up over 2,000. This style of manufactured homes have been known as the affordable option for years. However, recent increases in building materials have caused the prices to jump up significantly. People who know the industry well and saw prices before about 16 months ago are wondering if this is still an affordable option. Well, from a price per square foot standpoint, manufactured homes are still the top dog. Look at this model from Homes Direct. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home with a price of just under $77 per square foot. This is a home that has more than enough room for a family. It has a living room, family room, dining room, massive kitchen, and a utility room. If we go strictly by price per square foot, this home blows the smaller footprint homes out of the water at almost half the price of the Casita, but the total cost is more than triple at $173,900. If the Casita was able to hit the same price per square foot, it would have a total cost of only $28,830. Now that's an affordable option. However, we know that's not reality, so let's not get too excited. The question becomes, why is the price per square foot so much lower on a large manufactured home, and why don't the same numbers apply to the smaller options? Because if we could get the smaller homes with a low price per square foot, a lot of our affordability problems would probably be solved. I was in contact with a plant manager who works with a top manufactured home brand who explains exactly why that's the case. There are a number of reasons why traditional manufactured home providers can't apply the same price per square foot of their larger models to homes with a smaller footprint. In fact, the plant manager I was in contact with attempted to build accessory dwelling units for a well-known brand, but decided to stop because the way their factory is set up doesn't accommodate demand for smaller homes. When I talk about traditional manufactured home providers, I'm talking about companies like Palm Harbor, Fleetwood, Champion, and Clayton. They all run into similar issues with smaller homes. The plant manager explains, the compression of the kitchen, bathroom, and many windows in a tiny home actually makes it harder. It actually is a challenge to build many tiny houses versus building, say, a 4-bedroom, 2,000 square foot home. Our best value is in building a 30 by 76 home that can house a family of 4 versus building a 500 square foot tiny home that can only comfortably fit 1 or potentially a couple sharing a room. He then compares the work involved in building each home, saying the scope of work in building a 2,000 square foot home is only slightly more than that of a tiny home. Think about it, the only difference between the two is the extra bedrooms, which could be 2 or 3 walls each, and the extra bathroom. Other than that, it's just extra floors, extra wall, and extra roof, none of which are all that time consuming or complicated to build if you're already building it. Every home needs a kitchen, bathroom, and a few other items, and after those items are checked, you're pretty much just adding space, which is why as the size increases, the price per square foot decreases. At the end of the day, what people really want to know is, what is the more affordable option? Is it the $49,500 accessory dwelling unit, or is it the double wide for $77 per square foot? And the answer is, it doesn't really matter. The people in the market for a 2,000 square foot double wide are not the same people who are looking at a 300 square foot tiny home. They're two completely different markets for two completely different buyers, and the beauty is there's room for both. Presenting a $49,500 casita to a family of 5 as an affordable housing option doesn't make any sense. However, to a single person or a couple, it might be the perfect fit. The exact same in reverse is true for a single person or a couple presented a $173,900 double wide as an affordable option. The affordability of a home is irrelevant if it doesn't fit the needs of the person buying it. Rather than comparing the price of apples to bananas, I'm more interested in seeing what companies will do in their respective space to stand out from their own competitors. At this point, it isn't a secret. People want more affordable options, and I think the companies that are able to present people with those options will attract a lot of buyers. That's all I've got for today. If you like manufactured home videos, make sure to subscribe to my channel because I've got new ones coming out every single week. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.